That is what exactly we are coming to again and again the same product. If we don't define our augmented education, we will not be able to give the basic education. Basic education is perfect, है ना?
In last 5 years,
We are perfect.
from 1,000 we are now 3,000 admissions. And we have given something new. We have innovated some techniques and all that in teaching and all that. And so and the teacher quality, we have empowered the teachers. We have in-house training and all. Then we have orientation course, induction course. All these things are so teachers are empowered, and students we are getting good. So because of that, our results have considerably improved. And children they are getting into IIT also. That's how they say. Queue for admission. And we have to refuse admission. Number of, I think around 300 admissions.
That's a good sign of growth. That's a good sign of growth. But that should translate into colleges also. That should translate into colleges also, which is now currently not happening.
You have to galvanize. I have told you we have galvanized in Saket Nagar. That is the only solution. Otherwise you will perish.
Like for example, हम इनको कभी यूज ही नहीं कर रहे थे कॉलेज में. Today for the first time he opened up and said that they have to come and teach us in the college. सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वाले इतने बैठे हुए हैं हमारे यहाँ, कोई आके वहाँ पे पढ़ाया नहीं. This is the first time that interaction has happened that you why don't you come and actually teach us in our college. We are looking for civil engineering teachers while we practically have civil engineers over here. हमने कभी पढ़ा है. See, look at this now. Now he is a person from the civil engineering area. He is a person from the sales area. He is actually selling brick and mortar, everything. Suddenly he is graduated into an area of teaching civil engineering का एक subject. Look at the kind of a confidence level that he is going to. He will prepare 10 times more than a normal teacher.
He has to.
He will prepare himself more. Will he or will he not? Tell me that.
He has to.
He has to.
Because otherwise his reputation.
His reputation at stake.
At two places.
At two places. Yeah. At two places. At two places. At two places. So when you move out of your comfort zone and move into a kind of a difficult area, then your whole area becomes discomfort zone. Then whole area becomes discomfort zone.
And you change when there is a discomfort.
Better.
Otherwise you never change.
You will never change. You will never change.
Only more is the discomfort, more chances that you change and become better. Or worse.
When you are in your comfort zone, you want to move out.
Even I look ahead.